How to reverse audio in CapCut PC. So if you want to reverse audio in your CapCut PC, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your CapCut application. After opening your CapCut, you need to do something, go with your import section, and then you'll import an audio, right? So let me tell you that you don't have an option to reverse an audio in your CapCut PC, but there is a way. What you can do is reverse the video. Go with your export, select any video. After that, drag it to the bottom. Now I have the video with the audio in it. So if you have the audio separated, then you can go with your video and select the audio and video at once. Right click on it and then go and create a compound flip. Now you need to place the cursor wherever you like. Select the video, and here on the top, as you can see, that you will have an option of freeze, reverse, mirror, or rotate. So go with reverse, and it will take a few seconds to reverse the clip. Just wait for a few seconds and it will be reversed. If you don't want the video, then you can also add an image, a blank image, to your audio and create a compound clip and reverse. That's how you can reverse audio in your CapCut PC. And if you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.